This is the Polygon Xtrada 7, year 2021, limited edition, bike check. This limited edition comes in medium size, with 27.5-inch wheel setup. Fitted with the Suntour XCR32 air fork, with 120mm travel. And boosted, 15 by 110mm through axle. And 12 by 148mm through axle at the rear. The cockpit is equipped with the Shimano Deore M6100 group set and Shimano MT201 hydraulic disc brakes. Handlebar is an Entity Expert 760mm long with a 45mm Entity Expert stem mounted onto a threadless headset. The saddle uses the Entity Void and a 27.2mm Entity Expert seat post with 0 offset, 350mm long. The Polygon Xtrada 7 limited edition is a cross-country aluminum frame, which is light and durable. The butted hydroformed 6061 aluminum frame features 73mm threaded bottom bracket and internal cable routing. The drivetrain uses a 32-teeth chainring and the Shimano Deore M6100 12-speed cassette. The frame comes internally routed, which provides cleaner lines to the bike, and also reduces the chances of any cables getting snagged on trees or rocks while riding. Using new Micro Spline, freehub body, and HyperGlide Plus tooth profile, the 10 to 51 teeth cassette delivers advanced shifting performance. Lastly, the ride is significantly quieter, with a clutch-equipped derailleur, which perfectly secures the chain and eliminates any bouncing. The WTB Trail Boss tires offer confidence-inspiring grip on the off-road with its side knobs and a fast-rolling center track. Double-wall alloy rims, laced onto high-quality alloy hubs, complete the sturdy wheel set for the bike. The Polygon Xtrada 7 limited edition is an absolute delight to ride, and will no doubt have you grinning from ear to ear, riding on the trail for many years to come. This bike is only available in a 27.5-inch wheel setup, as it is limited edition.